you, Lizami. Well, I hope you have watched the first part of this video series, which was about the pronunciation of soft C in French. Haven't you? Don't worry, the link is in the description down below this video. Don't miss it. Well, in the first part of this series, what we have learned? Yes, we learned that the French C is pronounced like S when it is followed by E, I or Y in a word. Good. Today, we are going to take a look at the hard C in French. That means when and where the letter C gets the sound of K. Are you ready? Let's start. The French C is hard, that is, it is pronounced like K in the following 4 situations. Rule number 1. When C is followed by A. For example, carte. Look, C and A come together in this word, so it should be pronounced ka. As a result, we need to pronounce this word as carte. Never say sart. Another example, car, not sar. By the way, do you know the meaning of the French word car? Well, it is not exactly the English car. The French car means a bus or a coach. It also means because. Okay, now back to the lesson. Here are some more words with CA combination. Café, cahier, cadeau, cabine, carotte, candidat. Rule number 2. When C is followed by O. For example, coup. Here, CO is pronounced as coup. Never say su or so. Here are some more words. Coin, cousin, école, accord, apricot. Rule number 3. When you see U just after C, for example, cuisine. Here are some more words. Excusez, curé, vécu, cultiver, cupide. Now, rule number 4. When C is followed by any consonant. For example, crayon. More examples. Classe, cliente, acné, acteur. So, what is the overall summary of today's lesson? Well, when C is followed by A, O, U or a consonant, then you should pronounce the C like K. And in such cases, the C is called a hard C. Now, you have learned about the soft C and the hard C. But you know, sometimes the letter C gets very naughty and breaks these rules. Don't worry, we will learn about that in the very next lesson. So, stay tuned and keep learning French. Au revoir!